Drum his ass off on Instagram, and his favorite drummer is Rook. He's 9 years old, and I asked him what song would you like to play, and he chose one, and I'd like to bring him out here to perform with us tonight. Hey, Bronx, come out here. Make some noise for Bronx, everybody! She touched me, yes, karma.